Is ChatGPT unable to access your favorite websites? You're not alone. This is a common issue for many users. Websites might be blocked due to restrictions or settings. Understanding this helps you navigate easily. Now, let's dive into a simple trick that can fix this issue. It's quick and easy. First, open your preferred VPN service. This is crucial for bypassing those pesky blocks. Next, connect to a server in a different location. This allows ChatGPT to access blocked content. Finally, refresh ChatGPT, and voila! You can now access previously blocked websites. For best results, always keep your VPN updated. Regular updates ensure optimal performance. Also, consider reliable VPN services known for speed and security. This can make a huge difference. Remember, browsing safely is key. Ensure you're using VPNs only for legitimate purposes. Now you're equipped with the right tools. Happy browsing with ChatGPT Unrestricted. If you found this helpful, share it with friends. Let's improve our ChatGPT experience together. Join us for more tips and tricks. Subscribe to never miss out on handy solutions.